Camping enthusiasts, get ready to discover two of the world's most iconic and breathtaking camping destinations, Mount Cook National Park in New Zealand and Zion National Park in the United States. Each of these destinations offers its own unique allure, from stunning landscapes to unforgettable adventures. So pack your gear and let's dive into what makes these parks a must-visit for campers from around the globe. Let's begin with the majestic Aoraki Mount Cook National Park in New Zealand. Known as the Jewel of the Southern Alps, this park is home to New Zealand's highest mountain, Mount Cook, which towers at over 12,000 feet. Here, campers are treated to an unparalleled mix of natural beauty and thrilling adventures. One of the top activities for visitors is hiking. The Hooker Valley Track is a favorite, offering easy access to panoramic views of the glaciers, serene alpine lakes, and the iconic Mueller Glacier. Imagine camping under a starlit sky while the massive Mount Cook stands as your backdrop, creating memories that last a lifetime. And speaking of stars, Mount Cook National Park is part of the Aoraki Mackenzie International Dark Sky Reserve, one of the best places in the world for stargazing. With no light pollution, the night sky here comes alive, providing campers with a celestial show that is nothing short of magical. Now, let's head to Utah, USA, where Zion National Park awaits. Famous for its towering red sandstone cliffs and dramatic landscapes, Zion attracts millions of adventurers every year. Camping here offers an up-close and personal experience with nature that's both invigorating and awe-inspiring. Zion is a haven for hikers, with trails like Angel's Landing offering a challenging yet rewarding trek. This trail takes you to one of the most iconic viewpoints in the park, where you can soak in breathtaking vistas of the valley below. And if you're into water adventures, don't miss hiking the Narrows, where you wade through the Virgin River surrounded by towering canyon walls. Beyond hiking, Zion offers a range of activities, from rock climbing for the thrill seekers to peaceful bird watching for nature lovers. Campgrounds like Watchman and South Campground provide the perfect base to explore the park while relaxing by a crackling campfire at the end of the day. Whether you're drawn to the pristine glaciers of Mount Cook or the dramatic red cliffs of Zion, these destinations promise unforgettable experiences for every camper. So, what are you waiting for? Plan your next adventure and create memories that will last a lifetime. Mount Cook National Park and Zion National Park, two camping destinations where nature's beauty and adventure come together. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more insightful tips on the world's most traveled destinations for adventurers, including surfers, fishermen, and kayakers. The world is calling. Will you answer?